AC Cobra is a British sports car, which was originally planned for racing. Production began in 1962. Texan Carroll Shelby further developed the AC Ace model built by the car manufacturer AC, founded in 1905, after he proposed AC to install an American 8-cylinder in the Ace chassis. The Cobra became famous because of him. Shelby put a Ford engine in the car, which is why some Americans refer to it as a Ford Cobra. Today, prices of over €1 million are sometimes paid for an original Cobra, and a 427 Super Snake even achieved a record price of $5.5 million in 2007. History of the AC Cobra. Ace production was already dropping when former racer Carroll Shelby of America offered to upgrade the car in 1961 using a more powerful Ford V8 engine. The formalities were quickly sorted out, and Ford began supplying modified 4.3-liter V8 engines. Shelby's suggestions were quickly implemented at AC's Thames Ditton plant, and the first car was on American roads by February 1962. It would have been easy to simply put a V8 in the engine compartment. Instead, however, the frame was additionally reinforced and the transmission and suspension adapted to the more powerful engine. The car also received the Salisbury differential and disc brakes from the Jaguar E-Type. Power transmission was provided by a BorgWarner 4-speed gearbox. The track was widened, as were the fenders. The result was the Cobra's typical slim but muscular shape. The top speed was 240 km per hour. The performance immediately led to racing success in the USA. Encouraged by this, Ford became more involved and sent new development proposals to Thames Ditton, where the cars were delivered without engines. The American racing program led to a number of innovations in the 1962 Cobra 289 with its 4.7-liter V8 engine and rack and pinion steering. Then in January 1965, the Type 427 appeared with a 7-liter engine, 312 kilowatts, 425 horsepower, at 6,500 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 641 Nm. Cobra versions. AC Cobra 260, the original 1962 version with Ford 4.3-liter V8 engine. Cobra Mark II 289, had the same body as the original version, but was equipped with Ford's 4.7-liter V8 engine and was the best-selling model in Europe. Cobra 427, modified, reinforced version of the Mk2, equipped with a 7-liter V8 engine and capable of over 250 km per hour. AC 428, the Cobra 427 chassis with new steel coupe or spider body, designed by Frua in Turin. Produced exclusively by AC between 1966 and 1973 without influence from Shelby. Cobra Mark IV, revised version with stronger grille pipes, disc brakes, 5-speed transmission and luxury equipment, produced by Autocraft from 1975. In the meantime, there are many more replicas of the Cobra than original models. The quality spectrum is very wide. Very cheap and common replicas, as kit cars, use axles and chassis parts from used or crashed Jaguar sedans and a 4-cylinder Ford engine. The body is often made of a GRP laminate. In December 1983, a Cobra MKIV was subjected to a test by the trade magazine Auto, Motor und Sport. Accelerating from 0–100 km per hour, the new Cobra set a record in AM's test history. It was the first street-legal car to sprint from 0 to 100 in under 5 seconds. Not until October 1984 was a Roof BTR even faster.